Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off automatic wallpaper change on your Redmi 13. To turn off automatic wallpaper change, you want to go into Settings. Here scroll down to Wallpaper and Personalization, then go into Wallpaper Carousel, and then turn it off. In this way, your wallpaper will now no longer automatically change, especially as you might have noticed on your lock screen maybe. Your wallpaper will stay how it is, and now you can just set your own wallpaper by finding one or setting one on your own. You can apply a new wallpaper. If it tells you to turn on Wallpaper Carousel, you can tap on Remember My Choice and tap Don't Agree. In this way, your wallpaper will not automatically keep changing. And that's it. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.